Welcome back to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make quick and easy no glue slime. So yeah, also guys, a hashtag notification squad for my last video is also remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in the comments down below give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue slime that is super easy and really quick to make. So the ingredients to make this no glue slime recipe you can actually get at the Dollar Tree. So if you have a Dollar Tree near you, you're in luck to make this slime. So the ingredients you guys can make this slime recipe today is this type of shampoo I got from the Dollar Tree, or you can use any type of other thick shampoo. I'm just using this one. You guys will also need a bowler plate to make your slime in, and last but not least you guys will need a mixing tool. So this soap I got because I have blonde hair and it's dyed blonde hair, so I dyed it. Actually my hairstylist dyed it, and you basically need shampoo to keep the blonde like looking good, I guess. And I got this from the Dollar Tree, and this is supposed to make really good slime from how I tested it before. So all you have to do is you're going to add it into your bowler plate, and that looks like enough. And I'm going to show you guys as I get mixing it how thick it is. You can tell already how thick it is, and it reminds me of like a gel texture. So it's super gel-like, and all you have to do is mix it up. You can also use any type of shampoo. You can use Suave shampoo, really any type of thick shampoo as well. You can use to make this slime recipe. That is at the Dollar Tree as well. You don't have to use like an expensive shampoo. So all you're gonna do is mix it up till bubbles form. So it's like enough mixing. And you can tell it got super foggy and stuff, and that's how you know the slime is ready to put into the freezer for an hour to 2 hours. So every 30 minutes I'm going to take it out and see how it's formed. I'm going to mix it up, and I'll show you guys it when I'm done. Okay guys, so it's been about an hour and a half. Also, I'm sorry if you hear noises in the back. My dog's eating her food, and I'm actually filming outside. And here it is. You can see it froze up a little bit from being in the freezer, but I'm going to take a look at it and see how it turned out. I feel like from it freezing actually made it form better, because when I tested this out it was thick, but not as thick as how it is right now. And you can see it pulled together really well. I'm sorry, that's my dog Belle. Hi Belle! It's still sticky, but it did form a slime-like texture. I'm actually going to play with it for a bit, and I'm going to show you guys how it is when I'm done playing with it, because if you play with the no glue slime it'll actually make it not so sticky like it is right now. Okay guys, so it's been about 5 minutes of me playing with it, and you can see here's how it formed. It actually made like a putty-like material, which is really weird. And it's still sticky to me a little bit, but it did form slime, as you can see. So this recipe was a big win-win, and I really do recommend this soap. Again, it's at the Dollar Tree for $1. It's Beauty and Hair Power Stick, and then it's pure, and then it's Ultra Blonde Refined Shampoo. So it's for like dyed blonde hair, as I said before, because I have dyed blonde hair. But this shampoo worked amazing on making no glue slime, and I really hope you guys try out this recipe. Again, you can try it with Suave shampoo. That worked amazing for me in the past. I did a few videos on that, and it worked awesome. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video today. Remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector. In the comments down below, give us some video ideas. Bye guys, I love you so much, and peace, and thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye!